Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to delete blocked numbers on iPhone. So I'm going to just go ahead right here to my contacts, right? So if I wanted to block someone on my, on my contacts, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and click on their name, right? And I'm going to scroll a little bit down and hit block caller, right? So basically after you block the caller, that person or that contact will not be deleted, right? It's gonna be appearing to you right here in the contacts list, but you will need to delete them, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and to click on their name, right? And as you can see right here, you will see that this is this is like one contact that I blocked. You could just go ahead and click edit at the top right, scroll a little bit down, and you're gonna see right here delete contact. Click right here and just confirm that you want to delete that contact after you blocked their numbers. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching.